Good morning, student. Today I am continuing the chapter Death of a Partner. Today is 19th May 2020. This is my lecture number 40. Topic is calculation of share of profit up to date of death. I have also explained in previous video many things about death of a partner, so you can see my previous lecture, that is lecture number 39. Now we have to solve some practical problem for calculation of share of profit up to date of death of a partner. So see the question. Suppose X, Y and Z are partner in a firm in the ratio of 4:3:2. Y dies on 30th April 2020. The profit earned by firm for year ending 31st December 2019 was 63,000. Calculate Y's share of profit. So in this question, first we have to calculate time. Time will be from 1st January to 30th of April. So it will be 4 months. Now answer will be, this is given profit sharing ratio of X, Y and Z equal to 4:3:2 and Y dies. Therefore profit of firm for 4 months equal to 63,000 into 4/12. It will be 21,000. Now Y's share of profit will be 21,000 into 3/9. 3/9 equal to 7,000. Answer. So Y share of profit will be 7,000. This is the calculation of share of profit. Now you can see some other problem. Problem is P, Q and R are partners in a firm whose books are closed on 31st March every year. R died on 31st July 2019 and his share of profits up to the date of death is to be calculated on the basis of average profit of the last 3 years. Net profit of the last 3 years were rupees 10,000, 14,000 and 13,800. Calculate our share of profit. So first I will calculate average profit equal to 10,000 plus 14,000 plus 13,800 divided by 3. This is given in question. You can see total will be 12,600. Now average profit for 4 months, profit for 4 months equal to 12,600 into 4 by 12. It will be 4,200 and profit sharing ratio of partner will be 1:1:1 because nothing is given about share and R died on 1st July 2019. Therefore R's share of profit equal to 4,200 into 1 by 3 equal to 1,400 answer. This is the process for calculation of decreased partner share of profit. Now see some next problem. This is ABC are partners sharing profit and losses in the proportion of 5:3:2 respectively. B expired on 31st May 2019. The partnership agreement provided that first, interest on capital be allowed at 10% per annum. B point, B to be credited with salary of rupees 12,000 per annum. On the death of any partner, his here will receive in addition to the balance of capital account. First point, salary and interest on capital. share of proportion profit from last balance sheet to the date of death based on annual average profit of last 3 years after interest on capital and salary of partners. D point, partners capital were A 3 lakh, B 2 lakh and C 1 lakh given. E point, profit before interest and salary were 2019 1,24,000, 1,20,000, 80,000 and 16 1,30,000. There is no change in capital since 31st March 2015. You are required to calculate B's share of profit. So, in this question, all the complex item has been included. So, first we will calculate average profit of 3 years because question says it will based on average profit of last 3 years. So answer will be, first we have to calculate average profit of 3 years. It will be 1,24,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 80,000 divided by 3, because previous year profit will be 17, 18 and 19. Now it will be 108,000, that means 1,08,000. Now B expired on 31st May 2019 and year close on 31st March. So it will be 2 months. So now I will calculate average profit of 2 months. It will be 1,08,000 into 2 by 12 equal to 18,000. Now next, average net profit of 2 months before interest and salary will be 18,000. This will be known as average net profit. Average net profit before salary and interest. So minus interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum for 2 months will be 10,000, because capital will be 3 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 1 lakh equal to 6 lakh. 6 lakh into 10% into 2 by 12 equal to 10,000. Now I will deduct salary, interest on capital, then remaining profit will be 8,000, and beej salary also will deduct. Beej salary for 2 months, it will be 12,000 by 12 into 2 equal to 2,000, and then profit of firm, therefore profit of firm for 2 months will be 6,000, and therefore beej share of profit will be 6,000 into 3 by 10 equal to 1,800 answer. So this question is include interest on capital and salary also, and now you can see next problem in next video. This will be our lecture number 41. Thank you very much.